Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, TechTalk with HP. Are you ready to take the world by storm with your awesome videos? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. You might be feeling a bit nervous or overwhelmed, but don't worry, it's actually super easy. In no time, you'll be sharing your awesome content with the world. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Gmail account. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account. If you already have a Gmail account, you can skip this step. But if you don't, creating one is easy. Just head over to the Gmail website and click Create Account. Follow the prompts to set up your account and then you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Go to the YouTube website and sign in. Once you are signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Create a Channel. Step 3. Customize your channel. After creating your channel, you can customize it to make it look more professional. Click on the Customize Channel button and add a profile picture and cover photo that represents your brand or content. You can also add a description of your channel and links to your social media accounts. Step 4. Upload your first video. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start uploading content. Click on the Create button and select Upload Video. Choose the video you want to upload from your computer and add a title, description, and tags. You can also choose a thumbnail for your video. Step 5. Publish your video. Once you have added all the necessary information for your video, click on the Publish button. Your video will be uploaded to your channel and will be visible to your subscribers and anyone who visits your channel. So, here we covered all the steps to create a YouTube channel. Create a Gmail account. Sign in to YouTube. Create a channel. Customize your channel. Upload your first video. Optimize your video for SEO. Share your video. And there you have it, friends. Those are the steps to create a YouTube channel. It's really that easy. Now you can start creating and sharing your content with the world. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.